I am very happy to announce that the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University, formerly known as Agra University, is starting a new course from this academic session 2020-21. The course is MSc in Computational Linguistics, which is a combination of 3-4 branches. So you can say that it is an interdisciplinary, or rather we call it a transdisciplinary course, in which we will have the lectures on linguistics and languages and mathematics, statistics and computer science.
For the last several years, we at Agra have been working on developing language technologies and resources for low resource and minority Indian languages. We are also working on developing technologies that could automatically process pragmatic and socio-linguistic aspects of human communication. In continuation to this, we are now starting a 2-year MSc program in Computational Linguistics at our Center for Transdisciplinary Studies. This program will be co-taught by 4 departments of the university: linguistics, mathematics, statistics and computer science, and also by our industry partners such as Microsoft Research and Panlingua, and other academic partners such as IIT Kharagpur. As part of this program, our department will be offering fundamental and advanced courses on linguistics and computational linguistics. We would also be offering courses on multilingualism, linguistic diversity, and typological and areal features of Indian languages.
I am very happy that this course is the integration of 3 main streams: the statistics, mathematics and the linguistic, and of course the computer science is there. As you all know, this is the age of artificial intelligence, and most of the industries, most of the companies are working on the artificial intelligence, and specifically the area of the natural language processing is dominating nowadays. That is the 4th industrial revolution. So to see the requirement of the market, to see the requirement of the global scenario, it is an idea which was immersed in the mind of the Agra University teachers that we should start a new course based on the computational linguistics. It means that we are trying to make our student can work in the industry in the area of NLP and the artificial intelligence with the proper understanding of the linguistic rules. I am hoping that this is a new course, and this new course of course will create more and more opportunity for the students for getting their jobs, and I'm also very much sure that our students, after completing this course, will successfully accumulate in the industry, and they will do the wonders in the computational linguistics.
Department of Statistics will be offering basic and advanced courses in descriptive statistics, probability and probability distribution, multivariate statistics and other concepts and ideas necessary for working in the field of computational linguistics, as well as gender quantitative analysis of the data.
The university is starting an MSc in Computational Linguistics under its newly formed Center for Transdisciplinary Studies. It is the first of its kind in India and probably in South Asia, where the Department of Mathematics will be offering the basic and advanced courses in linear algebra, calculus, mathematical optimization and others, which are quite useful in computational linguistics.
And I'm very happy to say that it is for the first time in India our university is starting this course, because so far in South Asian region there is no university who is offering this course. I am told there are only few universities in the world, namely University of Edinburgh in UK. That university is running very successfully this course.
If you are interested in developing language technologies for any of the Indian languages or any other language across the world, say technologies like developing machine translation system from English or any language to say one of these languages like Rongpo or Coda, or if you want to work on reducing hate speech and fake news on social media, or for that matter developing any other kind of technologies such as Grammarly-like application or a digital assistant, or say an automatic tutoring system for one of the languages like these or any of the language that you are interested in, then we would like to invite you to join our innovative program and learn how to do all of that and much more.